Now, good day. I got these snacks from the dollar store, okay? These shortbread are absolutely delicious. They come in a pack of 4, and it's 2 ounces a piece. Let's see, only 300 calories. So there are 2, 4, 6, 6 shortbread cookies in here. And you know it's a season for pumpkin spice. So here's a pumpkin spice Oreo. And yes, there's 6, yeah, there's 6 cookies in here. Pumpkin spice Oreo cookies. I had these before and I didn't do the review, but you see them on the shelf, go ahead and get it. I absolutely believe you'll love it if you love pumpkin spice. Yes, go ahead. And then, what am I having? Having Lipton's green tea with orange, passion fruit, and jasmine. If you haven't tried this selection of the Lipton teas, it is really good. The flavor is nice and, soft. It's not sharp. Yeah, so try it. And that's my review for this morning. Have a fabulous day. See you in the next one.